We will have to cross live now to the case against 5 suspects arrested in South Africa, in the South Africa-Russia-Ukraine recruitment case. They appeared before the Kempton Park Magistrate's Court today. Let's listen in.
That we would eventually, during the investigation, get from other provinces.
Have you made a connection with this case and the allegations made against Duduzile Zuma?
The case against Duduzile Zuma is a separate case, but we don't rule out the possibility that most probably as the investigation continues, these two cases might verge.
Can you tell us more about the woman accused of recruiting them?
She is part of those people that will be appearing on Monday, the 8th of December. That's when we will be able to ascertain how much of the involvement she was allegedly involved in.
Are you expecting to effect any more arrests?
We do not rule out that possibility that more suspects will be arrested.
And in terms of your investigation as the Hawks, can you give us some details on how widespread this is? What kind of characters, who are the people that are involved?
At this stage, it's too early in the investigation to amass as to who is involved or could be involved, but we are not ruling out a possibility that these are ordinary, normal South African citizens who are working amongst all of us.
Do you know if there was a monetary incentive for those recruited, and if so, how much?
That is part of the ongoing investigation.
Are you working with any other foreign countries, maybe Russia, in your investigations as the Hawks?
As we already spoke to the fact that these people were going to a different country, we are in engagement with crime intelligence as well as other international law enforcement agencies.
Crime intelligence where?
In South Africa.
And what agencies are you working with in other countries?
That is part of what we are doing, and it will remain a secret as and when we are interacting with them.
What are you giving any warnings to the public about recruitment drives? What should people be aware of?
We've always had awareness campaigns into these type of situations where people are promised jobs overseas, and it turns out that those jobs are not necessarily what it was purported, whether online on an advertisement or by word of mouth from people that they supposedly know.
And with Russia in particular, this is not the first time that they've been alleged recruitment of people from South Africa to Russia. What are you communicating around that?
Many awareness campaigns are done, especially in September, where we talk to trafficking in persons, and we do give tips as to how to recognize and for people to do due diligence as to ascertaining if such a place exists or it only exists online.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Right, we come out of that very abruptly, of course, as the line of questioning around the 5 who appeared in the Kempton Park Magistrate's Court today linked to that Russia-Ukraine recruitment scandal, and of course that reappearance happening on the 8th of December, on Monday, where further details will be outlined. But you heard they're not ruling out the fact that more suspects could be arrested, and that they're not ruling out the possibility that these are ordinary South Africans walking among us who are linked and maybe involved in this matter.